you. Hello. This is an afternoon sneezing fit. I'm seeing if I can. I'm hiding in the bathroom because there's guys working. I can't even get a word in. Oh. I gotta drink. Slow it down. Oh. Started like 3 or 4 minutes ago. You. Oh. Oh. Not doing too many really fast moldals today, luckily. You. Oh. Oh, they're slowing down, thank goodness. I'm getting dizzy. Anyways, hope everybody's having a great Monday. We're at about 3 minutes of sneezing. Oh, so loud and powerful. Gosh. Phew. Should just fade away now after 20 sneezes, or probably more than that. Phew. Uh-oh. I'm not doing the like 10 or multiples today, which is good for me, but I know a lot of you guys like multiples, but just can't do it today. Ooh, getting cold, sneezing. You. Bless me. See, if I come in here, I don't have to stifle and hold them back. I can just let it rip. God. hate you. Oh, that's all I can do with that nonsense for today. Multiples. I'm more dizzy today and I have to drink some pop.